A very good morning, dear students. Today I am going to start a new chapter of trigonometry, okay? Chapter 22, and this is second chapter of trigonometry. We have already finished first chapter of trigonometry, chapter 21. So from today we will start height and distance. So as you all know that in trigonometry we basically deals with right angled triangle. So this is your right angle triangle whose one angle is 90 degree. This is theta and theta lies on the base. So this is base. This is hypotenuse, side opposite to 90 is hypotenuse, and this is your perpendicular. And next some basic formula we need, okay, like in class 9 we have already done. Some people have curly brown hair turns permanently black. So we need these three trigonometrical ratios. First is sine theta. Sine theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Some people have curly brown hair. Cos theta is base by hypotenuse. Turns permanently black. Tan theta is perpendicular by base. And in this chapter, okay, you need this trigonometrical ratio table. You need this three, okay, sine, cos and tan. You should know the value of sine 0 is how much, sine 30 is how much, sine 45 is how much. So in this chapter you basically need this 30, 45 and 60, okay. You don't need 0 and 90. So here you'll get like angle of elevation and angle of depression in question. So what do you mean by angle of elevation? Upward. Here I have written upward. It means that suppose you are standing here, okay, and when you observe something which is in the upward direction, then the angle made by angle made between your eyes and this horizontal line is called the angle of elevation. So when we see in the upward direction, that angle, okay, is called angle of elevation. Next is angle of depression, downward. Suppose you are standing on the top of some building, okay, and you are observing something on the ground, okay, so you have to see in the downward direction, right? So when you made the angle with this horizontal, then this angle is called angle of depression. So this angle we basically made here, okay, we will make here because they are alternate angle. So we will write here theta. So this is your angle of elevation and this is your angle of depression. Now we will start exercise 22a. Number 1, the height of a tree is root 3 times the length of its shadow. Find the angle of elevation of sun. First in this chapter, okay, you have to make diagram. It's very important. You have to make diagram. So first you have to make diagram, and you know diagram will be right angled triangle, okay. So this is your tree. AB is tree. So this will be the shadow of the tree. Shadow lies on the ground, right? So BC is the shadow, okay. AB is the height of the tree, and it is given that the height of the tree is root 3 times the length of its shadow. This is shadow, okay. If you take this x, this will be root 3x. Then your question is, what is the angle of elevation of the sun? What is the value of theta? Here angle of elevation will be here, so you have to find the value of theta. So AB is height of a tree. We have taken root 3x. So here I'll take x, so it will become root 3x. And length of a shadow x. You have to find angle of elevation theta is how much. So here perpendicular and base. So perpendicular and base is related by tan theta. So tan theta is turns permanently black. So tan theta is AB by BC. AB is root 3x. BC is x. So x cancel, root 3. Now you have to find for what value of theta tan is root 3. So you have to use this table. Tan is root 3 when tan is 60 degree. So tan 60 degree is root 3. So in place of root 3 you have to write tan 60 degree. So remove tan from both sides. Theta is 60 degree. So the angle of elevation is 60 degree. Now next question number 2. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground and at a distance of 160 meter from its foot is found to be 60 degree. Find the height of a tower. So here one tower is there. Okay, make this tower AB. Now you are standing on the ground. You make your position here. Okay, C. Suppose you are standing at C. So when you observe the top of the tower, you will see in the upward direction. Okay, so when you observe the top of the tower, here the angle is 60 degree and you are standing 160 meter away from the tower. So this is 160 meter. At a distance of 160 meter, find the height of the tower. You have to find this AB. So AB is height of the tower, question mark. BC is distance between point and foot of a tower. So it is given 160 meter. Again perpendicular and base. Base is given, you have to find perpendicular. So you have to use tan theta. So tan theta is 60 degrees. So tan 60 degree is... So here the value of tan 60 is root 3. So in place of tan 60, write root 3 turns permanently black is equal to root 3. Perpendicular is AB, base is BC is equal to root 3. AB by BC is 160 is equal to root 3. So AB is 160, cross multiplication root 3. So 160 root 3. This is the height of the tower. 160 root 3 meter. Now next, question number 3. A ladder is placed along a wall such that its upper end is resting against a vertical wall. The foot of the ladder is 2.4 meter from the wall and the ladder is making an angle of 60 degree with the ground. Find the height up to which the ladder reaches. Suppose this is your wall. Okay, now how will you place ladder? You'll place in this position, right? So you have to place in this position. So this is your ladder, this is the wall, height of the wall, and this is the distance between the foot of the ladder and the wall. So you have to find this height. AB is how much? Find the height up to which the ladder reaches. So AB is the height. Okay, you have to find. That is question mark. So AB is height of the wall, question mark. AC is length of the ladder. And BC is distance between foot of the ladder and wall, which is given 2.4 meter. Again perpendicular and base, you have to use tan. Tan 60 is root 3, turns permanently black is root 3, perpendicular is AB, base is BC is equal to root 3. Now the value of BC is 2.4. Now cross multiplication, AB is 2.4 into root 3. So 2.4, put the value of root 3. Root 3 is 1.732. So 2.4 into 1.732 is, after multiplication, you will get 4.1568. So you can write only 2 decimal place. You can write till here, but here is 6. So add here 1. AB is 4.16 meter. So this is the height, 4.16 meter.